All right, we're still here on Hypergrowth. You're in the home stretch. This is one of my favorite strategies because honestly, search engine optimization will forever pay off for your business. So what you do over the next few weeks with the SEO of your website will pay dividends for 5 to 10 years. SEO is incredible. Think about it. Put yourself in the shoes of a potential customer. When you're looking for a service or a business or something, a problem to solve, what's the first thing you do? I'll wait. You go to Google and you search for it. So you need to come up. We want that person who's searching for your solution to find you. So I don't want you to pay an agency upwards of $200,000 to do the SEO for your website. We're going to hack it all for free right now. I hope you're ready. So the first thing I want to say is it's a little bit related to what we just talked about with App Store optimization. The only difference is the search engine is a web search engine. So there's a bunch of different nuances versus an App Store. But a lot of the same principles apply. It's keyword density, it's relation to the keyword topic, and there's a couple other tips. But the first thing is running an audit of where you're at currently. This is a service that marketing experts like me provide, and I'm about to tell you how to do it for free. So there's a tool called SEOptimer.com. I'll include it along with this lesson, SEOptimer. SEOptimer.com is a great free SEO audit. You quickly enter in the URL of your website, and it's going to spit out a beautiful 30-point audit of your site of things that you can literally just hand to your developer to fix. So what are some things that you need to fix on your site? It could be technical elements. Maybe your page size is too heavy. You have iframes. You have some JS files that are too huge. Your images are not tagged properly. All of these things can quickly be fixed up by a developer, and you'll start to rank higher right away. Now, the first thing is run that test. Go through those elements and decide what are low-hanging fruit. What can you quickly go through? Maybe you have technical skills yourself and you can quickly update them. I recently worked on a huge SEO project for a big travel company called fly.com, and the on-page SEO, the stuff that we fixed on the site, was enough to triple their organic traffic in less than 3 months, from 15,000 daily uniques to over 50,000 daily uniques. So do not write this off for a second. The on-page stuff that you fix on your site is worth investing in. If it costs you a couple $100 to work with a freelance developer, do it. Check out that audit. That's your homework right now. Go through, audit your site, figure out the 10 to 15 things that SEOptimer says are below a C level in your grade, and fix all those, and then come right back and we're going to talk about the keyword research and keyword density for your site. I'll see you in the next lesson.